Therefore, less number of years now they are asking you years. What have at year 11, what will happen? Year 11 it will be 2.8531. In between it will be 3, but we want to cross that. So it is 12 years and we want answer in years. So at least number of years, at least number of years or less number of years will be 12. कुछ समझा क्या? We want to cross it, exceed. Between 11 and 12 years, it will become, in between 11 and 12 years, it will become what? It will become 60,000. And to exceed, we should keep it 12 years. Answer should be in years. So 12 years. Yes. Waiting for your doubts, if any. Shall I go on to the next one? Shall I get next sum pe? People are typing something, so I'm waiting. I don't know what you are typing, waiting. Okay. Exceeding 12 years. So minimum 12 years you should keep. That time it will exceed. In between 11 years pe kya hoga? At 11 years, it will not exceed. It will be less. When it will be equal? It will be equal somewhere between 11 and 12 years. It will exceed at 12 years. Chalo. Next one. Find rate of interest. क्या ढूंढना है इस बार? Rate of interest ढूंढना है. Compounded annually. If ordinary annuity R ढूंढना है और rupees 20,000 per year. 20,000 is per year. Per year. So what? Per year means every year means C. And amounts to 41,000 in 2 years. 41,000 after 2 years. So 41,000 is A and N is 2. So let's start with the answer. Given. What is given? C is equal to 20,000, comma, A is equal to 41,000 and N equals to 2. Okay, let's continue. Formula. A is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket raised to N, minus 1, bracket close. A 41,000 is equal to 20,000 upon I as it is in square bracket, in round bracket, 1 plus I as it is, square minus 1. What next now? आएगा करने को? Keep I on one side. ये 20,000 को इधर लेके जाओ इस साइड में, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 20,000 शिफ्ट इट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 41,000 देखो समझता है कि आपको, मैं 20,000 को शिफ्ट करता हूं इधर. 20,000 is equal to square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I raised to 2 minus 1 divided by I. Agreed? Agreed? Zeros निकाल दो, तो 41 upon 20 is equal to, what is this? 1 plus I raised to 2. This is A plus B the whole square. 1 plus B the whole, sorry, A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square लिखो क्या इधर? आता है ना ये? Okay, let me write with black color here. Those who don't know this, A plus B the whole square, I'll say it as A square plus B square plus 2AB. Hi, you can do that 2AB, you can take it in the middle also, no problem. A square plus B square plus 2AB. I'll use that. So 1 square, I'll write here first time, 1 square plus I square plus 2 into 1 is 2 into I, and then बाजू में -1 है, ये -1 भी आएगा upon I. समझा क्या स्टेप? 41 on 20 is equal to 1 square is 1 plus I square plus 2I minus 1. कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है देखो न्यूमरेटर में कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है. Look at the numerator, something gets cancelled. +1 and -1 gets cancelled. Now 41 upon 20, from the numerator take I common. So if you take I common in bracket, I plus 2 divided by I, वापिस कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है देखो, I getting cancelled. So next step, 41 upon 20, let's that 2 come this side, -2 is equal to I. I cancelled. The outer, the common I got cancelled with denominator I. Then 2 I shifted on the left hand side. Now make base same. 41 divided by 20 minus 2. So क्या हो जाएगा? 41 minus 2 into denominator कितना था? 20 divided by 20 is equal to I. So it is 41 minus 40 upon 20 is equal to I. 1 upon 20 is equal to I. 1 upon 20 is how much? Divide 1 by 20. 0.5 आएगा, लिखो क्या? 0.05 rather. 0.05 आएगा एजल. 0.05. Okay. You want me to show that? 1 divided by 20. You cannot divide 1 by 20. So point, make it as 10. Even 10 is not divisible by 20. So one more 0. Then 100. 25 are. So here 0.05 is equal to I. But I is equal to what? But we know that I is equal to R upon 100. I is interest rate, correct, but I is equal to R upon 100. फॉर्मूला में था ना वो, तो I की वैल्यू कितनी है? 0.05 is equal to R upon 100. 100 इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Y is equal to R. Therefore, rate of interest is 5% per annum.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री, और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
Don't forget to write that PA, per annum. हाँ चलता था, बट आई निकाल रहे थे नहीं. This is, I prefer this way better. Okay. Any doubt? Rate of interest is 5% per annum. How do I know it is per annum? The period was 2 years. Period was in years. Therefore, the rate of interest is in year. If this period is in months, rate of interest will be per month. समझा क्या? Period is given in years, so rate of interest automatically will come in years. चलो चले नेक्स्ट सम पे. Number 18. A person purchased a television by paying 20,000 in cash. He paid 20,000 in cash and promising to pay 1,000 at the end of every month for the next 2 years. Hello. What he paid today? He paid 20,000. Down payment, it is called as down payment of 20,000. If you know a word called as down payment. And then 1,000 at the end of every month for next 2 years. If the money is worth 12% per annum converted monthly, find cash price of television. Cash price. Cash price means today's price. Cash price means today's price. And today's price means what? Today's price means what? P. Present value. Look at this given 1.01. 1.01 रेस्ट टू -24 दिख रहा है क्या आपको? -24 याद है? सिखाते समय मैंने बोला था इफ द पावर इज नेगेटिव मींस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इधर P और P dash. So let's write now given. I hope all of you are understanding what we are solving. Answer चलो बोलो. For calculate this 20,000 keep it aside, वो बाद में लगेगा डाउन पेमेंट. C कितना है? C how much is C? C is 1,000. N is 2 years, but N is 2 years. But what? But what? Monthly. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 12, 24 months. R is equal to 12%, but monthly. %1 आएगा. यस, but monthly. Therefore 12 upon 12%, that is equal to 1%. Therefore I is equal to 0.01. करेक्ट. चलो अभी क्या ढूंढना है? एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी मंथ बोला. एट द एंड. सो एंड मीन्स P और P डैश. P या P डैश? P ढूंढना पड़ेगा. एट द बिगिनिंग होता तो P डैश तो ड्यू हो जाता था. P इज इक्वल टू C अपॉन I. P is equal to C upon I square bracket 1 minus P में राउंड ब्रैकेट बाद में आता है 1 plus I bracket raised to minus N square bracket close. Correct? Correct दोस्तों. चले आगे. Let's go further. P we want to find out is equal to C. C is what? 1,000 upon I. I is 0.01 square bracket open 1 minus 1 plus 0.01 raised to minus N minus 24. Let us remove that decimal point, 2 digits after the decimal point. 1,000 is the original value. I want to remove decimal point from the denominator. So I'll add 2 zeros divided by 1, which is meaningless, divided by 1. In square bracket, 1 minus sorry, yeah, 1 minus 1.01 raised to minus 24. That is equal to 1 lakh in square bracket 1 minus 1.01 raised to minus 24 is 0.7875. Let us do that calculation. 1 minus 1.0000 minus 0.7875. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 8, 2. 2125. So 1 lakh multiplied by 0.2125. So that is equal to 4 digits after the decimal point. If you remove, so 4 zeros you will have to remove from here. So it will be 10 multiplied by 2125.